Hello everyone, so if you want to insert an SD card into your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, so first of all, grab your phone, grab your SIM ejecting tool and locate your SIM tray right here at the bottom of your phone. Now insert a SIM ejecting tool into it, take it out. As you see, I already have a SIM card here because this phone supports both double SIM card or a SIM card plus an SD card. Now turn it over and here you'll find a slot for your SD, as you see it marked as SD. Now grab your SIM SD card and we are to insert it. So insert it tightly, make sure that it has this little click, so as you see it sits tightly, contacts are facing upwards. Now once again grab your SIM tray and enter it into your phone. Alright, so as you see, it already detected our SD card. Press Explore, you can see the contents of your SD card, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.